presents educational satellite television programs.
To today's lesson. In our last lesson, we learned about transpiration through an experiment with a potometer. In today's lesson, we will learn about the mineral uptake in plants. Let us begin our lesson. In plants, mineral uptake is a process in which minerals enter the cellular material of the plant, carried through the same pathway as water. The normal entrance point for mineral uptake is through the plant roots in the soil. We know that plants make food in the form of glucose through the process of photosynthesis in the leaves and other green parts. Glucose is needed in all parts of the plant. The minerals plants uptake from the soil are also needed throughout the plant. Therefore, plants need a transport system to move the substances around that are made in the leaves and taken up from the soil. We will learn about the two separate transport systems in plants that work together to distribute the necessary nutrients. Those systems are the phloem and the xylem. They are carried to the growing regions of the plant, where they are needed for making new material. They are also carried to the storage organs, where they are needed to provide a surplus of food for the winter. Since the phloem carries sucrose, which it makes from glucose, insects and other pests are attracted to it. The pests attack the plant to suck up the sucrose liquid. If the pests take too much of the plant's food, they can destroy the plant. The best way to think about the phloem is by picturing sap coming out of a tree. The dripping sap comes from the phloem. For our first activity, students, please answer this question. What nutrients does the phloem transport?
Students, let's get ready. Begin. let's get back to our lesson.
Welcome back, students. The answer is glucose. The nutrients made by photosynthesis is also a correct answer. Let us move on to the transport system that carries minerals, the xylem. The xylem carries water and mineral ions, which the plant takes up from its roots in the soil. Unlike the phloem, which is made up of living tissue, the xylem tissue is dead, and there is no active transport taking place. All water molecules are taken up through passive transport systems. However, some minerals are taken up by active systems by plant cells. Mineral nutrient concentration in roots may be greater than in the surrounding soil. During the transport process throughout the plant, minerals exit the xylem and enter the cells that require them. It was once believed that minerals were only taken into plants with water that enters through the root hair. The root hairs on plants are hair-like extensions that increase the surface area, thereby enhancing osmosis. Once the minerals are absorbed by the root, they are distributed to the rest of the plant in the transpiration stream. Students, for our next activity, answer the following question. How do minerals enter the plant?
Students, let's get ready. Begin.